Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how you can remove bed bugs bite tags easier way at home. Bed bugs are small oval brownish insects that live on the blood of animal or human. They feed by pressing the skin and withdrawing the blood through an beak. Don't need to still worry about that. This amazing remedy will help you to remove bed bugs bite tags easier way at home. To make this magical remedy, we will need few useful things such as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is capable of neutralizing acidic chemicals that are caused by bed bugs bites. It is an anti-inflammatory agent and control the swelling and redness caused by bug bites. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid and anti-inflammatory properties that can control redness, burning sensation from bed bugs bite. In case not able to get apple cider vinegar, try using white vinegar instead. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is one of the wonderful effective home remedies for bed bugs because cinnamon is help to inflammation. Therefore, this ingredient will make a wonderful paste of healing problem. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need baking soda. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the container. The next amazing ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the container. At last, we need cinnamon powder. Just add 1 teaspoon of powder into the mixture. Now mix it well. The remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.